Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going shopping in the new Marktkauf. It used to be Real, now it's called Marktkauf in Filderstadt. So we want to go and sample it and see how the prices are. The deco is really great. I like the new deco. The reorganization is really great. And the person I'm shopping with is running away from me because I'm vlogging. But I don't care. So let's see. It really looks nice. The way they've organized the place. Everything looks fresh and new. But the prices are a little bit higher than Real. So everything is really well organized, but the prices are a little bit high. So hi,
Hi,
what do you think of the new Marktkauf supermarket that
It's
replaced
nice.
Real?
it's nice.
What's nice about it?
They have more fresh food.
They have more fresh food. They have more fresh food, okay? And the prices?
They are a bit high.
Okay, so what did you buy today?
Some spare parts for the coffee machine and some little things for Christmas.
Okay, so what was the price before for the coffee machine cleaner?
I don't know. I was used to buy a set where everything is together, which is then cheaper. But there I have to buy the products single, and so it becomes more expensive.
So, and in general, do you think the prices are higher or lower than the real market that
I
was
think
here
they
before?
are a bit higher.
Okay. Do you like the new reorganized market?
Yes.
Looks nice.
Okay, now I have to go shopping.
Good, continue shopping.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Uh, There's a new clothing section. It was there before, but it's all reorganized. I mean, the reorganization is really good. I must give them credit for that. But it's a bit more expensive than Real. Marktkauf, I think, belongs to Endeka, the Endeka chain of supermarkets. I think so, if I'm not wrong. But I like the hats here. They're so cute. You should try some. No. And this is where somebody that I know will be so excited to be. Look at all these toys. So much toys. Playmobil. Guys, look at the prices. 73 euros. 190, 200. What's that? For a toy? 300 euros for a toy. Jeez. Oh, it's expensive to be a parent, I think. I like the wallet. So cute. 20 euros, you get a nice wallet. Yes, as I was saying, the reorganization is really good. Must give credit for that. Perfect food for me. Seriously. Shoes. Well. Winter boots. I mean, it's okay. The prices are okay. I just don't know about the quality. So nice boot. Really cute. This is so warm. Wow. This I could buy. It's good for the office in winter. It's too big. Some sport shoes. And also office stuff, and you can print photos, self-print. I'm talking of the downstairs. Cereals. Let me check how much my cereal costs. This is normally what I eat, meant for kings, but I like it, and it's a bit more expensive here than before. So I'm not buying it. I'm going to the supermarket. Buy it here. And the meat, the deep frozen meat. No, that's normally what I take, but I'm not buying it. It's offer much more than what I paid for. Yes. Liquor. Sure. And should we check the trunk? We use the Christmas gifts packages. I like this one. I know somebody would like this one. I did not realize that we live so close to a farm that has a shop and horses. Look guys, there are horses there and all kind of animals. I've seen cows. And it's just a stone throw away from the apartment. I didn't realize that. So now I know where I'll be coming to horse ride next time.